Welcome and thank you for watching this tutorial. Today we will learn how to create a favorite folder and TCode list in SAP. So let's go to the SAP and this is the main screen of SAP. You will find here two menus. SAP menu, this is the default menu, and this is a favorite. Under favorite you will right click on the favorite and insert to create a folder, insert folder, and write down the name that you want to create. Let's suppose work order management, and continue, and you see the folder work order management has been created. It's created here. Now you have a two way to enter the T code. One is to direct and another is to drag and drop. So first we'll use the direct T code. So right click on the folder that you have created, insert the T code. Let's suppose IW33. So continue. See, the T code is came here directly. And another way is to drag and drop. So for that one, let's suppose you don't know the name or T code number. So just search, and in the plant maintenance, maintenance processing order, let's suppose this is the change IW32. So just with the right click and hold the button of mouse and drag and drop in the folder. And there is another also third way is to, if you want to, let's suppose this one IW33 also you need to create into the folder. Right click on that one and add to the favorite. It will go to here, and then from here you will drag and drop. Okay, we have another good option available, that you will create a subfolder under the folder. So for that one, go to the main folder, insert folder, and write down let's suppose create work order folder. So just click this. So you see you have a subfolder under the main folder. So from here you will, let's suppose we have this T code, we'll just drag and drop here, and for IW36 you will drag and drop here. So you have created successfully the favorite folder. Now I will tell you the benefit of creating favorite folder is to take all the daily use T codes and organize in a favorite menu. And the benefit is to you will access quickly and easily, and you will list down all your T codes that you are using every day. I hope this video will give benefit to you. Thank you for watching this video.